The Jackson Conserver XLE is an excellent low-temperature dishwasher for your restaurant. This unit can clean 39 racks of dishes per hour to keep up with your busiest hours. It only uses 1.02 gallons of water per rack, making it a money saver as well as environmentally friendly. The auto start feature begins the cleaning cycle automatically in order to speed up your wash times. The built-in delimer function is easy to use and will keep your machine clear of hard water deposits. A removable scrap screen, built-in waste accumulator, and internal sump will keep your machine working hard throughout the day. All of your chemical pumps for wash, rinse, and sanitizer are built into this unit, and a low-level indicator will alert you when it's time to replace your chemicals. This machine is field convertible, so it can be easily switched from straight to corner configuration. The Jackson Conserver XLE dishwasher is NSF and ETL listed and ENERGY STAR qualified.